Hello, folks. Richard Fontaine here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now, this is an exceptional offer, folks. So I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Entrepreneurs, are you ready to enter one of today's most profitable sectors while also making a meaningful difference in the lives of children? Imagine providing parents and children with a treasure trove of stories that spark their imaginations, improve their learning, and foster lifelong readers, all while receiving a consistent income from the thriving children's book industry. Doesn't that sound incredible? Stay with me, because I have something fantastic to share with you. Let's discuss the importance of reading and how it might influence a child's future. Books open up a world of imagination, learning, and development for our children. They arouse curiosity, improve language abilities, and foster lifelong readers. In today's digital world, the power of a good book continues to fascinate young minds, producing lifelong memories. Right now, the children's book industry is booming and is predicted to reach $30 billion shortly. Parents everywhere are looking for the greatest stories to both entertain and educate their children. And, thanks to the convenience of online buying, parents can now order books that their children are interested in from the comfort of their own homes. However, creating children's books is not an easy task. It involves time, ingenuity, and money. Hiring illustrators, writers, and editors can run thousands of dollars for a single tiny book. Not to mention the long hours spent brainstorming, writing, and designing. For many, these obstacles are enough to deter them from pursuing their dream of entering the children's book business. But what if I told you there was a method to avoid these obstacles? Introducing MajicStory books. The perfect method for easily breaking into the children's book business. This is not just another collection of stories. These are tens to hundreds of goldmine children's storybooks and elements, each with private label rights. Yes, you read that correctly, tens to hundreds of amazing children's books, each ready for you to sell and profit from. And it does not end there. Our library includes many kinds of children's stories and more. But there's more! When you purchase Magic Story books, you get a massive collection of tens to hundreds of children's ebooks, awesome children's ebook covers to attract buyers, 100% original children's stories, includes PLR license for ultimate flexibility. And here's the best part, Magic Story Books is exceedingly simple to use and sell. A private label rights license allows you to edit, rebrand, and sell these publications as your own, without the need to download and install resources. You can tailor them to fit your brand's look, making them genuinely your own. We have done everything for you. All you need to do is market these incredible books and watch the money come in. It is that simple. Don't miss out on this fantastic chance. Magic Story Books is your ticket to a successful business in the children's book industry. But hurry! Save 90% at this very rare launch period offer, which will not continue forever. Order now and get started with Magic Story Books. Your prosperous future in the children's book industry begins today.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.